I don't know what to get. Yesterday I ate pizza. I ate a hamburger a few days ago. Maybe I'll get the chicken nugget set. But I will have chicken nuggets for dinner. I think I'll have the hamburger set after all. Those were some examples of the past simple tense. But what is the past simple tense? Let's go to the classroom and learn about the past simple tense. Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the past simple tense. Before we begin, please take a moment to like and share our videos to help our channel grow and reach more people. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We try to release a new video every 5 days. Let's get started. The past simple tense is used to talk about completed actions that happened at a fixed time in the past. It is the most commonly used past tense in English. Let's look at the past simple tense through an example. To form a regular verb in the past simple, add ed to the base form. The verb ends in ed. Monday is the fixed point in time. Let's look at how to form the past simple tense. Most verbs in the past simple tense do not change with the subject. The same form is used for all subjects. I washed, he washed, she washed, it washed, you washed, we washed, they washed. Let's look at some examples. Last night, I watched a movie on TV. She cleaned her house last weekend. Aaron usually drives to work, but today he walked instead. After work, Chica relaxed on the sofa. Last Tuesday, Joe started reading a new book. We watched a movie last weekend. Yesterday I worked so hard. I washed all the dishes. I cleaned the whole house. I hurried out to do some shopping. When I arrived at the store, it was closed. But now it's time to relax. While I relax, let's go over the spelling rules for the past simple tense. The past simple tense of all regular verbs end in ed. But for some verbs, there are also some spelling changes. For many regular verbs, ed is added to the end. If the last letter of the word is e, just add d to the end. If the last letters of the word are a consonant and a y, the y is changed to ied instead. If the last letters are a consonant-vowel-consonant combination and the final syllable is stressed, double the last letter and add ed. Let's look at some examples of the past simple tense spelling. Jumped, worked, played, dropped, arrived, hurried, carried, cried. So yesterday, I went to the store and it was closed. Then I came back home and cleaned the whole house. After that, I was tired, but I had some time and decided to relax. There are some verbs that change when using the past tense. These special verbs are called irregular verbs. Let's go look at irregular verbs in the past simple tense. Irregular verbs do not use the ed to form the simple past tense. There are not specific rules about how to form irregular verbs in the past tense. Went is the past tense of go. Let's look at some of the common irregular verbs in the past tense. Go becomes went in the past tense. Have becomes had. Do becomes did. Come becomes came. See becomes saw. Let's see some examples. I ran in a race. We saw some rabbits. Joe ate 5 pizzas. They drank tea for breakfast. I drove to work. They had a great vacation. I came to Japan many years ago. He went to the zoo. It's a nice day. I decided to come to the park. Chica was sleeping. She must be tired. I wonder if she is still sleeping. I'm sure she is fine. We haven't talked about the to be verb form in the past simple yet. Like in the present tense lessons, the be verb form changes with the subject. But it is kind of tricky because the be verb form is irregular. Let's explain the be verb form through an example. The past simple tense of be is completely irregular. It's the only verb in the past simple tense which changes depending on the subject. Let's see how to form the past simple tense with the be verb form. The past simple tense verb of be changes with the subject. I was, he was, she was. You were, we were, they were. Let's finish up with some examples. He was late for work yesterday. We were at the park last week. They were at the movies last night. She was sleeping all day yesterday. There was a party last night. There were many people at the party. That was a long lesson. Let's review quickly. The past simple tense is used to talk about complete actions that happened at a fixed point in the past. And it is the most common used past tense in English. Now that you know how to form the past simple tense, try coming up with your own sentences. See you next time. I wonder what happened to Chica.